Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1575th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This 1575th installment of these educational videos is coming to you on a Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, February 8th. 2017. Traders, I got a lot on this board. Let's get right into it. As you know, and if you do not, you should. Futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is certainly not suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose if you're going to play in the futures arena. For you traders that understand the risks, let's get moving. What's on the board? You've seen this chart before. It's worked very well for us, right? It served us well, so let's continue. So it started out with this pennant flag a long time back. It worked well, went into a bull channel, left the bull channel and turned into a flag. The flag got slightly elongated. We had a little false breakout, came back down, broke out of the flag, bull flag breakout, and now I believe we have an F flag forming, an Oscarism known as an F flag, which should propel us higher. So it looks to me like we've got a green OMNI for trading on Wednesday in our indices, and I think you'll find the Nasdaq and the S&P looking fantastic. Let me show you the Nasdaq next. Here's your Nasdaq chart. So, Nasdaq looks very interesting to me. Look at this new channel that's developed. We were up, moving along inside of this blue channel for a while. Now the green channel is the latest one. You bounced here, you bounced here, and here's what happened on Tuesday. You didn't quite hit the line, but you know what? Close is okay. I call that a hold, and we should rally out. Now, what else is happening? Maybe this was some sort of a weird pennant flag, like the one I just showed you on the Dow Jones chart, and you're breaking out of that anyway. Either way, it looks like a breakout in the Nasdaq, and let me show you what the S&P looks like. Another breakout, if you ask me. Look at this S&P, and now this is a very, very interesting chart. Traders, you will not see this called from me very often, a cup and handle, and more bizarrely is this. I have never called a cup and handle formation this high on a daily chart. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, the cup and handle formation generally lives, if you will, at market bottoms, right? You get a cup and handle at the market bottom. But this looks to me like a not such a low dip, but this is a cup, that is a handle, and we're breaking out of the handle, and in fact, that handle, if you ask me, is a bull flag. Look, I would say there's no problem calling that a bull flag, breaking out of the handle of a cup and handle, but bizarrely, the cup and handle is way high on a chart. It doesn't mean it's not valid, but generally you find them making lows. This is telling us the market has a lot higher to go. Bravo on the analysis so far. Market's looking fantastic, and I think I'm going to label that a cup and handle. Very interesting. Keep your eyes on that. And then we've got that gold chart, traders. The gold still hovering, doing quite well above the OTAPMA, Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, and we broke out above it. If you will, this is absolutely some sort of a channel right here. So we are above OTAPMA in some form of a channel, working our way higher. And you know, once again, there are flags everywhere. You know, I'm going to try to stretch this into the possibility. And now this is a bit of a stretch, and I know that. So we're not valid by any means, but the possibility of a flag building right there. Not valid, right? We know that. I'm just stretching the imagination a little, but let's prepare for the possibility that that's what this is, and we'll keep our eye on that as well. So we've got a green OMNI in gold and a green OMNI in indices for trading on Wednesday. Very interesting, right? Not valid yet, but it's building. We'll see where that's going to take us. So once again, we love what we're seeing in the gold, and we will be buying dips if we get the opportunity. Traders, there's another chart I want to show you. Are there stock traders out there who follow me? Here's a stock that I have been showing in my chat room for the last few days. And interestingly enough, it looks like something's starting to happen now. And here is that stock, IBM, Big Blue. I actually called a few of my friends and sent them text messages and said, look, I'm not saying that it's a tip, but a very constructive chart I see in Big Blue. And when I gave them that, I kid you not, and when I showed it in my chat room, we were here. And I said, very constructive. Now I'm going to add the days back in since I noticed IBM. And boom, here's where we stand right now. Bull flag in the yellow. In IBM daily, Big Blue charging ahead. And if Big Blue's moving, the whole market is moving. Traders, I have a free live trading room. Livewithoscar.com. No credit cards required. No nonsense. Give us a valid email address and a username, and you can join me in my free live trading room. And that is where I do as much teaching as I can and showing my Omniacs what we have going on. So, Omni has a target on this IBM, and we should eventually make our way to the 184, 186 level. Now, when I started looking for a target, we were trading around 174, 175. It has moved up to 178. It's time to tell you cats about it. The ones who weren't in my free chat room, of course. My video fans now know IBM has a target 184, 186. Very constructive formation right here. You gotta love what you're seeing in Big Blue. Traders, again, free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. Come join me. Omni Campers coming to Vegas. Welcome, welcome. I can't wait. Omni Camp is the end of this week. Should be fantastic. I will see you all there. Get in on Thursday. Get some rest Thursday night. We start early Friday morning. Traders, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things, in my opinion, you can do to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Live with Oscar.com. I will see you there.